back with another Jasmy update. So the market looking green. The market has responded to the CPI numbers coming out today, guys. And let me know what you think about inflation, right? So apparently the CPI numbers came out as expected, right? So the inflation eased in April as declines in grocery and used car prices offset another rise in rent and gasoline. All right, so this is good for the entire market, including altcoins, but specifically we're going to be talking about Jasmy. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right, it says after inflation picked up notably early this year, the report revealed more progress in the battle to tame prices, with an underlying inflation measure reaching a 3-year low. Still, it may not be enough to convince the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates in the next couple of months. So a lot of people are anticipating that we do get that Fed cut in September here, right? So it's a 52% chance. Guys, let me know in the comments, because I know y'all been going crazy in the comments. Somebody that was in the real estate industry feels like they could actually raise the federal interest rates again. We do have a 52% chance of a Fed cut, and we have experts here. Nationwide Chief Economist Kathy Bosjanovic wrote that she believes after Wednesday's report that there's still a chance that the Fed starts cutting rates in September, what again coincides here what we're seeing from the percentage of a 52% chance of a cut. So let me know in the comments if you think that we will get that Fed cut. And of course, we do have the looming May 23rd application here. To see if these guys can get approved, right, for the ETH ETF. We got Van Eck on May 23rd, and then we have ARK 21 shares on May 24th. So can Kathy in the group get an ETF approved, which will also be bullish for the altcoin sector? All right, but let's take a look at Jasmy from a chart perspective. As I'm saying, this is going to be a quick video, guys, just giving you an update on what we've seen from the PPI, CPI, and when the market seems to have already priced in the hot reports, because now we're starting to see the market run back up. BTC is headed to 65k, and again, just look at the weekly. You can see that we had a pretty nasty week, so there's still some opportunities here for some of our favorite altcoins. And even going to look at the month, Pepe, wow, Pepe is up 100% on a month. I need to do a Pepe video. Bonk showing some life here. Floki, a few meme coins, and Near Protocol, a sleeper not much people were talking about, also up. But in this video, I want to give an update on Jasmy, because Jasmy, in my opinion, has one of the most bullish charts and setups in the space for blue chip project. Right now, sitting around a $1 billion market cap, Jasmy has been putting in this bullish flag. And we talked about this on the stream, how this bullish flag on the 3-day could blast up, maybe 118% here based on what from the RSI and the stock RSI. So Jasmy sitting right below a $1 billion market cap, about $900 billion market cap, does have bullish indicators, right? The stock RSI is headed to the upside, inverted head and shoulders on the stock RSI, and the relative strength here is also posted to the upside, coming off a 3-day bullish cross. So this move itself could push Jasmy all the way up to about 3.5 pennies if we can confirm the breakout outside of this bullish flag. That's simply measuring the flagpole and assuming that the flagpole is what gets put in above the bullish flag here, which would lead us to about 3.5 pennies. I'm taking a look at Jasmy from a weekly standpoint, right? You can see even on the weekly, stock RSI going for the reset, still a little bit bearish here, but we are showing signs of life here from the RSI. If this thing crosses this yellow line, that would be extremely bullish. And again, guys, based on the 3-day chart, it could be an explosive move, maybe 100%. Now, the 3-day chart, when we measured it, we said this could be this could take about 15 days for it to play out if we do get the bullish confirmation. So if the market continues to be bullish, Bitcoin dominance goes down in the midst of the price rising, this will send ERC20 and 20 tokens, specifically altcoins like Jasmy, to space, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15-day poll here, which could be a bullish 2 weeks for Jasmy and send it above 3.5 pennies. All right, so not much on the news front, but we do know that this is a cross reference of narratives when you think about AI, data, AI, data, the gasoline for AI being the vehicle, and why those two narratives run parallel to each other. And when you add the partnerships and the things that Jasmy is doing, from data monetization lockups, and even the specific Q4 lockup that they've started tests, this all could, allude to bullish momentum. When you add all that up, right? When you add those narratives, those catalysts, and then a bullish setup like this, you get a lot of people assuming here that we could potentially get this inverted head shoulder on the 4 hour chart. As you can see here, head, left shoulder, right shoulder. A lot of people are predicting a breakout here on the 4 hour for Jasmy as far as this inverted head and shoulder pattern. So let me know what you think about Jasmy. The setup looks nice, guys. Of course, crypto can break down at any moment, right? But it looks like, and I've stated this in a few past videos, that the setup for the short term rally looked like it was in. We got the PPI numbers, we got the CPI numbers, so we got that out the way. I don't believe we got a meeting, FOMC meeting, to a while. I think Jay Powell spoke yesterday, didn't really say much. But again, a lot of people are holding their horses that we do get that Fed cut in September. So even though I feel like more pain could be on the way, for maybe June, July, August, that could be a great accumulation area for some of our favorite altcoins, blue chip, micro caps, gaming, AI, whatever narrative you choose. But you won't find a better setup right now than Jasmy on the 4 hour, the daily, the 3 day, and even the weekly here, guys. Very, very bullish pattern here, setup here for Jasmy. So let me know what you think about Jasmy. Let me know what you think about the CPI, PPI. Will we get the Fed cuts in September, and how do you think it will affect the market once they turn that money printer on? It's your boy, Crypto Billy. How high will Jasmy go?